What will win in a race between a Porsche Carrera GT and a TWR Supercat? Well, we're going to find out by racing them along this runway. I'm Matt Watson, you're watching Carwow. Now let me tell you about this Porsche Carrera GT because it's one of my very favourite cars. Just behind me is a wonderful hand-built 5.7 litre naturally aspirated V10, puts out 612 horsepower, 590 newton meters of torque, driving the rear wheels only via a 6-speed manual gearbox and one of the most delicate clutches known on a production car. If I break it, the clutch replacement is £50,000. I'm not going to break it, I hope. To find out about that TWR Supercat, we've got the test driver from TWR. Hello David, you alright?
I'm a bit warm in here. It's quite a warm day today, isn't it?
It is warm, but my Carrera GT is a full production car and it has air conditioning. Your car is a prototype, isn't it?
Yes, it is a prototype, and the air conditioning got in the way of one of the pieces of equipment we were using, so that got taken out today, unfortunately.
So the longer I sit here chatting to you, the harder your job becomes, and the greater my chances of winning the race. Oh, listen, tell me about that car. What is the TWR Supercat? It looks like a Jaguar XJS that has gone crazy.
That's pretty much it. So yeah, TWR have got a long history with Jaguar. They won Le Mans with them in 1988, so they're building 88 of these cars as celebration. 660 brake horsepower V12. It's a full long leg GT car, so it's designed for travelling long distances and then have a bit of fun at a track when you get there.
Does it have a delicate clutch like my car?
Not in the slightest.
Have you done many launches in that?
Many, many, many launches.
I think we do want a standing start, and we will do a standing start drag race against the TWR Supercat a bit later in the video, against a surprise car. It's going to be epic, I promise you. But first, let's get into a race with this Carrera GT. Actually, let's do a sound check, because this is one of the best sounding cars ever made. Look how quick that revs. I bet you can't beat that. Okay, you won that. How does anything sound better than a Carrera GT? But I think you've done it. That's insane.
I've got 2 more cylinders, to be fair.
You have. Have you got a supercharger on that? It was a bit whiny.
Yeah, supercharged V12.
This is not fair. How much does your car weigh?
We're aiming for about 1250 kilos as a production car.
What do you think that one is though?
This one's a little bit more.
That's good, because mine's 1,380 kilos. Do you reckon you're heavier or lighter than that?
I'd say we're a little bit lighter, but not much in it.
What we're going to do now is a roll-in race. We're going to roll in, it's going to be about 10 miles an hour. I just need to engage this clutch and then I can accelerate. But we use the starter to start us, and I'll race you to the first set of cones to the quarter mile. Here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, he's got too much wheel spin. My car would have wheel spun, but the traction did the job. Oh, David, what happened to you?
Long leg GT car, first gear's really long.
Oh. And by that time, it's all over.
Yeah, if we started somewhere like 30 mile an hour, then it'd be game on.
Let's try that then.
3, 2, 1.
We're on now, wait a minute. Come on, Carrera GT. No, he's got me. Come on, Azzy. Come back. It's getting close. Here's the line. Damn. That were a bit different, weren't it?
That was good fun.
Closer that time. I see what you mean about the long gearing. Okay. All right then, David. Best 2 out of 3. Whichever car wins this wins the quarter mile race. Let's do it.
3, 2, 1.
That was close, but I just had you, mate.
You just had me.
Thing is, though, I feel like a bit of a fraud because I'm not launching it from a standstill. Would you be willing to launch your car from a standstill?
Give it a go, yeah.
I'm going to jump into a different car that's got a less fragile clutch. It's still a V10, it's still naturally aspirated, it's still rear-wheel drive, and it's still manual. I'm just going to get that now, and then we'll do some standing start drag races. Then we're going to come back to me in the Carrera GT. I'll get this again, and we'll do some rolling races, and we'll do another roll-in from 30, but this time we'll do it over the half mile. But first, let's do a proper standing start drag race with a rather fun, crazy car. And the car is a tuned Dodge Viper ACR. It's got an 8.4 litre naturally aspirated V10 that normally produces 608 horsepower and 760 newton meters of torque. But this particular car has had a new exhaust and an ECU remap, so it's now producing 650 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. That drives the rear wheels via a 6-speed manual gearbox, and there are absolutely no driver aids whatsoever. Right, what I'm going to do is race this Dodge Viper against that TWR Supercar. What's going to happen? Two manuals with a launch, V10 versus a supercharged V12.
3, 2, 1.
It's wild. Come on. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. I got a lot of wheel spin, went sideways, was changing gear. I think you had the same problem. Shall we do one more?
Yeah, loads of wheel spin here as well. Let's go for it again.
See you on the start line, let's go.
3, 2, 1.
We're on, got a good race here. Had a bad launch. Oh, David, I just don't think you're going to beat this off the line. You need a rolling race. So then what exactly happened? Well, the Dodge won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.5 seconds. The TWR took 12.9 seconds. But I'm going to give the Supercat a chance to redeem itself, because now it's time to bring back the incredible Carrera GT. I tell you what, David, I think your car struggles a little bit for traction off the line, doesn't it?
Just a little bit, yeah.
So I'm back in the Carrera GT, get back into some rolling races, more your sweet spot. I think this one really will be your sweet spot. Third gear roll on over the half mile, okay? It's going to be about 50 miles an hour. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. I've got so many revs. Coming past, oh no, he's coming back at me. So close, but I've got more revs. Here's the cones, I've got him. That was interesting. I've got more revs than you. 8.2, what's your red line?
7.5.
And I think that just about makes the difference. I can just hold on that little bit longer. I thought you were going to have me there in third gear. What speed would you like and what gear? You choose what's best for your car.
Well, when we did the race at 30 mile an hour earlier, I won, so I'm going to pick that one.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, this is the final race then we're going to do, David. 30 mile roll on, first gear. Starter's going to start us. We'll race this time to the half mile.
Good to go.
There won't be a brake test because this had a brake service light and I don't want to mess around with the brakes on this. Before we do this, I've got to say, just the design of that. I mean, XJS, I used to love the XJS back in the day, but you've made it look insane. What does it all do, the aero?
The aero was all done by XF1 Aerodynamics, and it works in conjunction with the designer guys to design the whole look of the car. So it's got a like kind of retro-futuristic look to it, but everything on it works.
I mean, it's just incredible. And the chassis, it's based on a XJS, but heavily reworked, right?
Yeah, whilst there's a lot of the original engine here, there's not a lot of the original chassis left. It's all bespoke everything. Full carbon fibre bodywork and road.
Right, okay, let's do this then. Game on. Oh, he's ahead, but can I bring it back? This is a race. He bailed.
Yeah, decided it was too hot before we got there and went into Lynn.
Oh, that was so good. It was so close. Is he going to be able to run again, or is it game over?
No, just need to get some air into it. It's the sitting and chatting. Everything builds up in the intake temp, and then the supercharger just goes nope.
Everyone in the commenters will be like, hallelujah. Just do that all the time.
Hey Matt and Dave, the intake temp is, because we're sat still, but that prototype doesn't have central fans, where obviously the other car does.
But it'll be fine to run, but like he says, you just have to get going relatively quickly.
Okay, so yeah, that's the first prototype. We'll show you a quick image of the second version. So it doesn't have the proper cooling system that the road car will get, but we'll get into it straight away. All right, and David, no excuses this time, no pissing about. Are you ready to go?
Ready.
Oh, bit of traction control issue. Is he going to have me? Come on, Carrera GT, let's have a good shift. Come on, my baby! Got him! Where's the finish? Here it is! Mate, that was a lot of fun!
I missed fourth gear.
Wait a minute, aren't you a test driver?
As I pulled from third to fourth, my hand slipped off the lever before it went into fourth. I had to have another go at it. Yeah, and it just gave you about a car length lead on me, and that was it.
That's such a shame because we would have gone over the line neck and neck. Well, do you know what? I didn't do perfect either, but I think we have to call it a day.
Yeah, it's good fun, that. Enjoyed it.
Awesome, awesome. I love that. Now, is the Carrera GT the best sounding of the V10s? Find out. You've got to watch this video, right? Because we put it against what could be argued as the ultimate V10 engine. Now, it's the Lexus LFA. Now, I want to say huge thanks to TWR Supercat. Huge thanks to the owner of this car for lending it us. Oh, I love it. Dream come true. And as ever, thanks for watching the videos. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe because we've got some more crazy drag races coming in this series. Thanks for watching. See you next time.